Hi, my name is Murad, and in this video we'll be discussing the fifth question from Blind 75, which is maximum subarray. Let's read the question. This question gives us an array of nums, and we have to find the contiguous subarray which has the maximum sum. So in this example, for example, we are giving this array, and these contiguous numbers give us the sum of 6, and that's what we have to return. We will solve this question with dynamic programming, so let's get to the solution. So let's say this is our array. For every number in the array, we have two options. First option is to add that number to the sum. The second option is start from 0 and consider that number as the first number, because the numbers have to be continuous. So to find the maximum sum of continuous numbers in an array, we will use a second array, and the index of each element in this array will be determined by this equation. So for every number, we'll keep finding the sum of all numbers before this, and we will see what is more, the sum or the element itself. So for example, we start with 5, and for this the sum is only 5. So let's write it here. Sum is 5. So and array I is 5, so it's the same. So the first element in DP will be 5. Let's go to the second one. The sum now is 4 plus 5, which is 9. So sum is 9. And 9 is more than array I, which is 4. So here, now our answer is 9. Now let's go on. So the next number is negative 1. So it actually decreases our sum. Now our sum is minus 8. And array I is just minus 1. So 8 is still more than array I. So here we write 8. The next one is 7. And the sum now becomes 15. And array I is only 7. So 15 is more than 7. We write 15. And finally, the same thing is 8. And we get 23. So our final answer is the maximum number in this array, which is 23. However, if we were to put here, for example, negative 20 instead of negative 1, then our answer will decrease. So we'll just stop here, and our answer will be 9. So now let's implement this in our code. First, we create an array, and the length of the array dp will be the same as the length of the array nums. So we say dp is equal to 0 multiplied by len nums. Now, for each element in nums, in range len nums, we say sum. Let's create the variable sum first, is 0, and sum plus equal to nums I. And dpi is equal to max between sum and nums I. So in case that sum is less than nums I, we have to change sum, because we can't add the next number to previous sum. So we say now sum is equal to dp, and at the end we have to return the maximum value from our array dp. So we say max dp. Let's run it and see if it works. We forgot this. Okay, now we can submit it. Okay,